Hey everyone, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. And we're starting on a new build. This is the Manco Dingo that came from the junkyard. And during the disassembly of this thing, somebody had welded there's a shaft that goes in the back here. Goes all the way across, got two bushings on each end. Somebody had welded the rim to the shaft, and luckily it's just I want to say it's 5/8 shaft, so it shouldn't be hard to find one, but it's coming apart pretty easy. I did have to I found out where the ants were living at. They were living underneath this engine, but I pretty much got it disassembled. I'm not sure if it's a single seat or a double seat that goes in here. I mean, there's not like a lot of room right in here, but so far so good. And it's going to go back Hemi orange, same color it is now. I think that's the original color from what I've seen from taking some of the paint off, but this should be a pretty good build here. Alright, as soon as I come back with something else, I'll let y'all know. Thanks. Alright, the more I got to looking at this, the more I think I'm gonna take and move this over here in the middle, take this off and move it over here. And as you can see, because the seat bracket is dead center of this thing, so once I pull all that over and I come back here, and this bracket here will have to be moved right here, and then this little bracket can be moved over here, and that way, as you can see, it's all cut over to this side, and that way I can move that pole there here in the middle. So really all I have to do is just probably get a new rod for that side, just shorten that one and just move everything over. So leave a comment below and let me know if y'all think that's a good idea or what. But seems like that would be the best thing to do, because if you put a double seat in here, the double seat's going to be hanging off over here on the side. And I've already got one orange go-kart. It's got a double seat in it, and I'm wanting a damn loud ass traffic. I want one that's in the center. Alright, well, leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.